Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today I just want to show you how to take a video that you record on your iPhone and shorten it, crop it into a shorter video where you keep only the parts that you want to have seen, and then if you recorded it in slow motion, you can also make any part of it slow motion that you want, and then the rest of it would not be. So this is the video I'm going to work with today. So I'm just going to play to show you. I didn't think it was recorded in slow motion, or completely, but maybe it was. I'm going to fast forward here so it doesn't take forever. And this little part with the paper airplane flying over is the only part we want with slow motion. So I'm going to go up to the top here to edit, and then you have the two bars. So let's see. This top part here is supposed to be the actual slow motion part. Yeah. So when this bar is sliding across now, the little white line that's sliding across, when it gets to this these two lines on the top bar, this little gap in the middle of them that has wider spaces between the lines is where the slow motion is supposed to start and stop. So I'm going to slide them over to where I want it to start and stop. So there's the plane. So I'm going to slide it back to where just before we see the plane there. Oop, a little bit more. And then the other one, I'm going to have it follow up with just after the plane leaves the screen. So then the bottom here we have the video, and we can shorten it by just pushing these arrows on the left side or the right side and dragging them in. It makes the bar yellow, and you drag it to where you want it. So I'm going to have the video start just a little before the plane comes into the screen, maybe there, and then I'm going to have it stop right after. So let's take a look at it now and see what it looks like. So I might actually make it start a little before then. So I'm going to press play again, so it's regular motion, and then the plane goes through in slow motion, which, hold on, let me drag this out. We want the plane to leave the screen. Let's try one more time. And it leaves the screen. So that's how you can edit your videos on your iPhone. Thank you so much, and we look forward to maybe hearing from you in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.